My sister has the 2023 Tesla Model Y. I noticed it has this Alcantara fabric, so even with the white trim, mine doesn't have that. Mine, I think, doesn't even have this part here, but it has the white. I'll show you that in a bit. Also, she has the 5-seat model. So in the back, so right now we have the trunk. We changed it to not open all the way, but you can also push the button to stop it. Well, that opens really close to the garage. So yeah, you want to be careful with that. But hers has this thing on top, which kind of can open like this a little bit. It's like magnetic. And then there's, because she has the 5-seat, she has a second storage under here. So she knew about this one, but apparently they didn't know that they had extra storage here. It's not very deep or anything, but you can fit like some short grocery bags and stuff there, and maybe like umbrellas or other things. But yeah, so I don't know if I noticed too many other differences there, but there is that. And yeah, let's go ahead and close this. And she has the blue model. Looks like the wheels have the same exact covers and everything. The material, I think, is probably the same. Yep. Headrest still doesn't move. Yeah, I think everything else is about the same. So, I don't know, maybe there are some slight differences in material, workmanship, and stuff, but that's what I noticed. Let me go to mine now and see. I don't know if the cameras and stuff are different. I think they're supposed to have different, like, headlights, like matrix headlights or something. I don't know how you would know that. It has these looking things. I don't know. To me, I think that looks the same. I think she doesn't have, yeah, hers doesn't have the radar sensors and stuff. Like, you don't see all those little circles in the bumpers, right? So hers doesn't have the radar sensors. It's all just camera based. So yeah, all right, let's go take a look at mine again. Okay, so if you look at mine, it has all these little radar sensor thingies. So there's one there, one there, one there, another one there, another one here, another one here. It has those little circles. It's not as clean of a look. It has that circle, that one there, another one there. I know it's blurring. That one there and that one there. So yeah, the new ones don't have that. And then, like I said, inside on the door, see, we got all this. It's got dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it. But yeah, so yeah. Other than that, I think it's all about the same. So that's it. See you guys later. Oh, I forgot the headlights. It looks the same to me. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, looks the same.